Hello. I'm on my way to go see Finding Dory with Carlos. Should be fun. Finding Dory in 3D. Good morning. It is 7:30 a.m. We are about to leave. My mom is getting her car today, so we have to go to Slow, which is like an hour away. So and my grandpa has a doctor's appointment as well, so we're kind of just like going, all of us. Finding Dory was so good. I cried. I feel like if you don't cry, you don't have a soul, you know what I mean? Yeah, it was good. I recommend it. So I'll see you guys in Slow. This is the car my mom got, 2016 CRV. She was originally getting the HRV, but she got this one instead. And she gave me a key. Holla. So we got home, long day. My mom finally got a car. She went with the 2016 Honda CRV in white diamond or diamond white or whatever. She was gonna get the HRV, but ended up liking the CRV better after test driving them. So I've been home for a minute. I filmed a tag. It was like a 15 random questions tag, and I went to go edit it, and I was blurry the whole time. So I just put it in the trash because I wasn't gonna upload a blurry video. It's a pet peeve of mine, watching videos that are blurry, so I'm just gonna refilm it some other day. I have a really bad headache. I'm probably just gonna lay in bed and watch TV. Probably watch Orange is the New Black because the new season just came out. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna do anything tonight, but if I do, I'll see you guys later. If not, then good night. Hi guys, I just got home from Santa Barbara. That's where we celebrated Father's Day, and we went to Beachside Cafe. It was on the Goleta Pier. It was really nice. It was like right on the beach. I guess that's why it's called Beachside. And then we just went to my aunt's afterward. Father's Day is always a little weird, but it's okay. Like, I mean, I celebrate it for my grandpa and my uncle. I've never met my dad, so it's not really like a super great time for me, I guess, even though like I don't really care that my dad's not around because me and my mom are so close. So I'm really thankful for that. And my mom was like the best mom, and dad anybody could ever ask for. But yeah, just home now. I'm going to get ready for bed and go over to Carlos's house. And I don't know, probably just sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Good night.